Do you find separating an egg to be daunting? Let me show you the easiest way to do it without breaking your yolks.
Firstly, make sure your hands are very clean, and then crack your egg on a flat surface. Don't use the edge of your bowl because you then risk getting little bits of eggshell into the egg, which might pierce your yolk.
Gently pry your thumbs into that crack and slowly pull it apart, catching the yolk in the bottom of the shell and allowing the egg white to fall into your bowl. Now you're going to transfer the entire egg into your fingertips. I find your hands the most delicate and gentle way to do this. So you're going to carefully pass the egg back and forth between your fingertips until all of the white has come away from the yolk. Now you have a perfectly separated egg yolk and egg white ready for baking. If you do happen to break your yolk or get a tiny little bit of shell in your egg white, here's how you fix it. I've added a tiny bit of shell into my egg white so that I can show you the best way to remove it. And this method works if you've got a little bit of yolk in there as well. You'll want to take your eggshell that you've just cracked, preferably a cleaner edge, and then gently scoop it into your egg white. You can see the shell instantly attracts to the membrane on the inside of the shell itself. So it's easy to scoop it out, and then you've got perfectly clean egg whites. If you're separating this egg for the egg whites and you need a recipe for your egg yolks, why not try my key lime pie? Or I've got a great lemon curd recipe. I've linked them down below. And now that you're a pro at separating eggs, why not check out my dessert playlist and see if there's something that takes your fancy. If you found this video helpful, please hit the like button down below. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next week.